subukan ng mga techniques na tinuro sa atin ni Jerome, we will dive at the Basura Reef.
Like the world has caught you inside a four-world cell. I hear your heart is beating for a journey to tell. But what if I told you I know a place we can go, somewhere you'll see the things your eyes been dreaming of.
Isa ito sa mga paboritong dive sites ng mga underwater macro photographers. Pwede sa lahat ng certification levels. 10 meters ang average depth hanggang 30 meters maximum depth. Our dive guide Patrick will also be our spotter to help us in finding a good macro subject. Spotter like him plays important role during underwater photography.
Generally, a good spotter should know the environment, which makes him a good spotter eventually. Of course, it's not only eyesight; it's a lot of knowledge. And what is very important for the future of the Philippines in general diving industry is that spotter are responsible for the creatures they find and take care of them, because that is the income source. That is why people are coming, and they should be protected and treated well.
Bago pa man kami makahanap ng subject, ay may mga nakita kaming mga basura. Remember, every dive is a clean-up dive, so we make sure to get this trash off the ocean. Maya-maya pa ay nakakita si Patrick ng isang nudie branch na abundant dito sa Anilao.
Get ready to behold the paradise, long hidden from your eyes.
From a short distance, Patrick spotted another nudie branch.
You need to be the right position, as I show you.
Yeah.
You should position your camera on the angle. It depends on the angle. The photo can be totally different. The reason why I dig the sand is there is no place where I can lower my camera. Most important thing in underwater is you level your camera angle to the same level with your subject. Eye level. We call it eye level. You try to do your best, put your camera to lower or make same level with the eye, or same, the important part of your subject. I'm trying to lower the camera.
I saw it.
Yes, when you place your camera on top of subject, I put down.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Try to keep in mind, first, make your camera to the same eye level of your subject. That's
Not on
very
top.
important.
We're trying to look for the antenna in front of the camera.
Yes, for nudie branch, most important part of the nudie branch is the rhinophore. The antenna of the nudie branch, we call it rhinophore. So, focusing on rhinophore is most important. For the fishes, most important part is the eye. Okay, every subject has very important part. So you need to recognize where. You need to remember where you can focus.
So
Okay.
sometimes it's not the whole subject.
Yeah, not whole
you
the
have
subject.
something that you focus on.
So you need to concentrate where to focus first.